How to check your battery wear or battery health on your laptop computer. Download this app. I'm going to put the link in the description. After installing it, you have to launch the app. Make sure you run as administrator. What you have to do is to make sure you select sensors only and click on start. Click on continue. Now what you have to do is to scroll down to the battery section. As you can see right here, the battery wear level is 50.5%, which means my battery health is 49.5%. So that's how you check your battery health on your laptop computer. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.